What's up, boys? Sorry, it's a little dark right now. Hopefully you can see me okay. Maybe that's a little better. But I'm filming this video right now. It's about 8:45 at night, and I'm going to a car meet, my first car meet. So I just want to bring you guys with me. I'm already rocking the 5-3 Supply out jacket right now. So I'm going to this car meet. It's over. I live in Utah, so there's a Facebook page called the Utah Weekend Car Meet page, and so right this weekend there's one at 9 o'clock at night. It's kind of ridiculous. It's really late at night, but it'll be fun. So I want to bring you guys with me. I'll try and film as much as I can. It's gonna be cold. As you can tell, I'm already freezing. You know, the camera's probably shaking a lot, but I want to bring you guys with me. I'm right here at Ross in West Jordan, Utah. So let's go to the car meet. Let's have some fun. And there's the car. I'm gonna go wash it real quick, and then we'll go do it. Let's go have some fun. Catch you guys there. After you wash it, you just gotta dry it off, right? I don't have many towels right now, so I'm gonna let the wind try and dry it, but it should be good. We got an Evo, we got a Beamer, WRX, we got an Evo. Oh, did you hear that? Oh my gosh, dude. And I'm here in my Honda automatic at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're heading to Sunset because this is where we're gonna meet here at Hobby Lobby, but I guess everyone's moving to Sunset, so catch you guys when we get there. Guys, we've arrived. There's a cop already. Oh my gosh. We got a BRZ, WRX. Look at these cars, dude. We got the Popo. Update, everyone's looping back around because I have no idea what's going on. I'm just following the Subies. There was a gang of Hondas back there.
Nice.
But anyway, so we're looping back around. We'll go see what happens. Got the Miata, Volkswagen, Honda, baby.